In 2 months, it'll be summer. Some of us will be excited to wear our sundresses. Some of us will be wearing shorts, going to the beach. This is the time when people say, "Oh, I want my beach body. Oh, I'm not fit enough." We always try to encourage everyone to feel beautiful no matter what, but we sometimes are not very happy with the way we look. And we tell ourselves, "I want to lose weight." And we have 2 months. I want to assure you that even if you have 2 months left, you can definitely see improvement from your body now until summer. These are easy steps, but sometimes they can be challenging, especially if you love food. Number one, do not deprive yourself. If you are a sweet tooth, by all means, eat the desserts that you love. But remember, there are substitutes now. Back in the day, I will use white sugar, brown sugar, honey, and all that stuff. Now we have lakanto, we have stevia, we have all these fruit-based sweeteners, so we can still have our desserts. Enjoy baking, enjoy your pastries. Do not deprive yourself because we want to be happy when we're losing weight. Okay? Tip number 2. Of course, during mealtime, food will be served. Put what you need on your plate. Vegetables, lots of them. Lots of protein, preferably fish, seafoods, chicken. And don't forget your fruit, okay? When you're done, that's it. No seconds. Love to drink? Well, water is number one. It's the best. I was not a water drinker, I tell you, until 3 years ago or 4 years ago. I was a heavy pop drinker, as in Coke. Just remember all the sugar in that bottle. So I had to teach myself to drink water. The good thing now is we don't have to just drink pure water. If we're really bored with water, we can add drops of lemon and ice, and there you go. It's an amazing, refreshing drink. Okay? Next tip. If we want to lose weight, we want to eat the right food and the right amount of food. Back in the day, before I went on a fitness journey with my family, I was a huge rice eater. I learned slowly. I cut my rice in half. I cut it further in half slowly because I had other carbs. I had my sweet potato. I love plantain. So as long as you know the sources of your carbohydrates, you are good, because we need carbs to exercise, to walk, to move. Like, I'm very active when it comes to dance and workout and hiking and Zumba and exercises. I am a very physically active person. I also taught myself to really regularly do exercise. We went to the gym until COVID came. So I work out at home. Nothing should stop you if you really want to exercise. There's music, there's YouTube, like you can just turn on music. You can watch YouTube videos. I come up with dance workout videos every now and then. I collaborate with amazing ladies. So feel free to visit my YouTube channel and go through the playlists for dance workout videos. And I have quite a good number there that you can follow. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and voila. After that, you are sweating. You are excited to keep doing that, right? Because I try to make my videos fun, creative, dynamic, like very personalized, because you don't want to just exercise, you don't want to just move, you want to feel the music, you want to embrace what's happening during that moment so that it becomes a beautiful experience for you. That's my goal. Okay, we sometimes think vegetables, they're boring. What can we do? There's so many ways we can prepare vegetables. Before I went on this fitness journey 3 years ago, going 4, I would cook. I would always cook vegetables. So sometimes they get overcooked. Sometimes we forget about them in the fridge and they rot and I have to throw them away. Or sometimes I buy fresh vegetables and I forget that I had them, so I forgot to cook them, then I end up throwing the vegetables. When we started our fitness journey, we ate lots of salad, and amazingly, I have not thrown away vegetables for years now, because it's right there. Chop them, serve them, of course wash them, and then bam, put them together. The secret is what kind of vegetables you put together, and I put lots of nuts, walnuts, pecans, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, cashew. I put strawberries and olives. So it depends on mixing them. So you have a lot of variety. There's kale, there are cucumbers. I put fruits like strawberries, mangoes. So I put those. And again, the dressing becomes an exciting experience. You can have balsamic vinaigrette. I would have strawberry vinaigrette. I would have honey mustard or mayonnaise. There's just a lot depending on what you like, but my favorite is balsamic vinaigrette, where I put together balsamic vinegar, lemon, some salt, and pepper and olive oil, mix them, and oh my gosh, this is the best dressing I've ever tried in my entire life. So I love that. Intermittent fasting is also a good one, only if your body can take it, okay? So after eating dinner, 7:30 or 8:30, I don't eat anymore. The next day, I'm going to have fruit by 10:30. Just a cup full of fruit. And then 12:30, I have my real lunch. I didn't have breakfast actually, but the fruit is my breakfast. I have coffee and no sugar. So, and then the next one is dinner. So I'm practically practicing intermittent fasting, and I've been doing that for over a year now, and it really works for me. And my goal is to help you feel good about yourself, to empower you, to inspire you, because that's what my channel is about. My channel is about pursuing health, fitness, and happiness through positivity. They all work together. They're intertwined. And if we're not positive, then we don't want to move. We don't want to target any goals. We don't want to dream. We don't want to work. We don't want to play. But if we are positive, we want to keep going. And when we keep going, we become positive because we can see that it is improving ourselves. And again, don't ever compare yourself with another, because each one of us has our own lifestyle, has our own problems, has our own restrictions, has our own goals, dreams, limitations. We are all different. So we have our own goals. The thing is, look at yourself now. If you're better now than you were yesterday, oh my gosh, it's time to celebrate because you are better now. Now, if you're not very happy with the way you are today, the way you look, the way you weigh, the way you're thinking, the way you're moving, by all means, make that a target that within 1 month, you will definitely feel better about yourself, because it is possible. The hardest thing is to start, to get up in the morning, to do a workout. We will always say, oh, I'm going to do it tomorrow. Oh, I'm going to do it next week. I'm starting on Saturday. I'm starting on Monday. I'm finishing this month. I'm going to eat everything I like. And then by June, I'm going to start. If you want to be healthy, start today. Like right now, I'm going to eat healthy. Right now, I'm cutting down my sugar or removing it altogether. If you have a dream, don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for later. Do it right now. That's how I got to be where I am right now. So what I'm sharing is not scientific. I'm not a teacher, I'm not a nutritionist, so make sure to check with your doctor before you do anything of the things that I'm doing. It's just that they worked for me. They worked for my family. And I am just so happy to share them with you. Let's stay healthy. Let's stay fit. Let's be happy. Let's be positive. Again, if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment below, because I really want to hear from you, and I'm very happy. Thank you to those who have commented, who have subscribed. It's a very young channel, and I hope that I'm able to help you, and I hope that you can support me too, because my goal is to make this channel grow so that you can help and share it with others who might need some moral booster down the road, right? And that's what I'm here for. So take care, be healthy, and remember, believe in yourself. You can do it.